What is HVAC? HVAC is an abbreviation for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. The main parts of the HVAC system are heating, ventilation, and an air conditioning unit. Heating systems. Some people choose boilers that heat water for forced water systems or steam radiators with electric heat, baseboard radiators and heat pumps, while some prefer furnaces that burn material to provide heat. Cooling systems. There are evaporative coolers for drier climates as well. They draw the outside air into the system and pass it through water-saturated pads, which make it cooler before it is pushed into the living space. Most common types of HVAC system. Standard split systems. It reduces air temperature by using a combination of air compressors, refrigerant fluid, and evaporator coils. It uses a fan to remove hot air within your home. Hybrid split system. When it is cold outside, then the system provides heat by an air source heat pump that runs with electricity. The pump works by using a refrigerant compound to capture heat from outside and bring it inside the house. Ductless split systems. Two main parts of these systems are indoor air handling and outdoor compressor, which connects via the conduit that has tubes or drainage, refrigerant, and a power cable. They work in the same way as a traditional system. Packaged systems. This system has compressor, condenser, evaporator, and coils. Although the system can be placed near the home foundation, the best location for it is the roof. Geothermal, HVAC systems. These systems run by using the heat underneath the ground. The temperature deep in the earth doesn't change, regardless of wherever you live. So, geothermal HVAC systems don't just warm your place, but they can also deliver cooling as well. If you would like to know more information about this topic, go to hvacfreelancer.com, or you can click the link below in the description. Feel free to join to get a free copy of the ebook HVAC Freelancer Guide to Success in the HVACR industry.